Good morning, Sean.
Hey, morning.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, so thank you for coming and attending for my
It's
training
my
session.
pleasure.
And is everything goes well for you?
Yeah, good. Everything is going well for me
Okay,
right now.
so today I will be conducting the training on differences between two items in the reservation option.
Okay.
Okay, so recently we have received a guest satisfaction index show that the FIT reservation is not updated properly.
Okay.
So Mr. Patrick, our front office manager,
Okay.
wants the front office staff to improve the service provided to guests. Okay, so at the end of this training session, you should able to explain the differences between the items in the reservation option.
Okay.
So as we are concentrating on the differences between two items in the reservation options, we will be only using the opera system.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the copy of the lesson plan.
Thank you.
Okay, so the duration of the training will be around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so are you ready to start?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you the differences between alerts and traces. So first, you have to do for option, and then the alerts is here. So basically, alerts signal an action needed on a reservation at a particular time. For example, check-in, which you can press from the area here, check-in, and check-out, and reservation. So check-in especially is arrival, and check-out especially for the cashiering, and the reservation normally for the updating reservation. So you can describe or write something here also. So are you clear?
Yes, I'm clear.
Okay, so next I'm going to show you is traces. So traces is the internal and interdepartmental message that is served as a reminder for the employees which assist the hotel in taking action on special guest requests. So for example, you can press from the department code from here. So here I explain different departments in our hotel. For example, front desk, reservation, concierge, and you can write what you want to write for them. For example, the front office staff need the housekeeping department to prepare the extra bed for the guests, so they can just put housekeeping, and then they can just write for the information they need. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, so are you clear with my explanation just now for the traces and the alerts?
Yeah, totally.
Okay, so moving on, we are going to differentiate for the locator and the wake-up call. So for the locator, which is here, and locator actually allows the front office staff to determine the location of an in-house guest at any time during their stay. For example, you can put the time to time and the date to date, and then you can note down where is the guest will being there at the particular day. Are you clear?
Okay.
Okay, so next, moving on, we are going to do for the wake-up call, which is here. So for the wake-up call, you can put the room number of the guest and the time and the date, and then the reminder that you or the remarks you can put inside. So wake up call is actually allows the front office staff to place and manage manual wake up call requests from the guests in house.
Okay.
So are you clear?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Okay, so are you clear with my explanation just now
Yes.
about the locator and the wake up call?
Yes.
Okay,
Definitely.
so moving on, we are going to talk about add-on and share. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the add-on. So for the add-on, actually is to make a copy or duplicate of a reservation, use add-on. Add-on creates a new reservation with their own confirmation number, yet copy all the reservation information for quick and easy duplicate. For example, if you want to duplicate the reservation information for another guest also, you can press OK. But since here we don't want to touch any reservation inside the system, so we are going to click no. So this add-on will be easier for you to copy all the reservation details for a guest in a quick and easy way.
Okay.
So are you clear?
Yes, I'm clear.
Okay, next moving on, I'll be going to share with you about share. Share is two or more guests commonly share the same room and have separate folio. As you can see, there is a two folio here. Because normally under the reservation there is only one name. If the guests wanted to stay together inside the same room, they wanted to have separate folio, it will be easier for them to settle their payment individually after checkout. So are you clear about the differences between add-on and share?
Yes, I'm
Okay,
clear.
so now can you do your demonstration for me?
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay,
now,
so the first one, alerts.
yes,
Alert is the action needed on a reservation. So you can press at the alert. We have check-in, check-out and reservation. So for check-in is especially for arrival. Check-out is for cashiering and billing. And last but not least, reservation is to update the reservation. Okay, so for the second one will be traces. Okay, so basically traces is the internal inter-department message that serve as a reminder for the employees which assists the hotel in taking action on special guest requests.
yes,
So we can press at the debit code. We can choose front office, reservation or concierge or housekeeping. So for example, I choose front office. Then after that, press OK. Then for the trace test, I can write like for example to the front office that the guest want a special request for like a decoration in the rooms or whatsoever, etc. So,
yes,
okay.
correct.
So for the third one will be locator. So locator will be at here. So we can write the time from time to time, the date to the end date. We are able to trace and determine the location of all the in-house guests at any time during their stay with us. So for the next one, it will be the wake up call. Basically, wake up call allow the front office staff to place and manage a manual wake up call for the guests if they requested for wake up call. So we are able to write the time, the room number, and the date as well. So followed by add on and share. So first one, the add on. Add on, basically we can duplicate a reservation, use from the reservation information. Then after that, we can press yes to create a duplicate reservation for us to be quick and easy for us to duplicate the reservation. Okay, so the next one will be share. Okay, share will be two or more guests sleep in the same room, but when they check out, they want to have a separate bill. For example, like if one guest they consume a snack in the mini bar, but another guest did not, so they want to have a separate bill on their folios to pay what they eat and what they use in the room.
Yes. Okay. So I think you're doing quite well.
Okay.
So can I ask you some questions regarding about the training?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
No
So
problem.
first question will be, can you explain the differences of alerts and traces?
Okay, as I said just now, basically alerts is when we use in check-in and check-out.
And reservation as well?
Okay, and reservation as well, thank you. And for the traces, it's a message reminder for the employees to assist with the guest special requests.
Yes, but
Okay.
it is only for the internal staff.
Okay, internal. Okay.
Yes, okay. So the second question will be, can you describe the differences of locator and web.com?
Okay, the difference for locator and wake-up call is locator is we can determine the location of all of the in-house guests.
Yes.
And for the wake-up call is we can manage a manual wake-up call request by the guests to wake
Yes.
them up on a particular time.
Yes. Okay, so for the last question, can
Okay.
you identify the differences of add-on and share?
Add-on basically is duplicate reservation, and for share is guests staying in the same room but they want to have a different folio, separate folio.
Yes. Okay. So far, I think you have demonstrated the ability to explain the differences between the item in the reservation option.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
so can I know how do you feel about this training?
I feel that I learned a lot.
Yes.
Okay, so I think I can learn the easiest options manual.
Okay, so do you have feedback regarding to my training? Am I too fast or the lesson plan is it too hard for you to understand?
For your feedback for your training, I think you go slow and it helped me to understand better. And for your lesson plan, I think it's easy to understand. I didn't get confused or whatsoever, etc.
Okay, so I think for my feedback to your performance today,
Okay.
I think you did quite well. You
Okay.
just have to improve it by practicing more.
Okay.
So before we end for the training session, please ensure that the task that you were trained earlier in is you have to put inside your work, and I trust that you can complete your job operation efficiently and confidently by attending for the training today. And I will be monitoring your performance through the observation in the working weeks. Okay, so thank you so much for attending for my trainings today. Should you have any question about the training, you please feel free to contact me.
Okay, sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.